Is your Vizio TV stuck on its logo screen and refusing to boot? Follow through all of the detailed steps that I mentioned in this video, and I'm sure that you can get out of this predicament with little hassle. If your Vizio TV boots to the Vizio logo, resorts to shut down, and boot back to the logo screen, only to cycle through this over and over again, it could be a simple case of your Vizio TV not receiving enough power for its operations. If your power socket is not able to provide sufficient power for the operations of your Vizio TV, you will need to get it checked, preferably by an electrician. If you're using a travel adapter or a power extension board and you have multiple devices connected to it, make sure that it's adequately spec'd to handle high power devices like your Vizio TV. And while you're at it, also check the condition of your power cable to ensure that the power is being delivered properly. If you notice any wear and tear that could be an issue, get it checked and replaced as soon as possible. Now that you've sorted out whether your Vizio TV gets enough power, we need to make sure that the power gets evenly distributed throughout the internal components of your Vizio TV. A power cycle will help with just that by resetting all the charges from the internal components of your TV and charging them up from scratch. But before you do that, make sure to click on that subscribe button below for more Vizio content like this. To power cycle your Vizio TV, unplug it from its power source and plug it back in after a good minute or two. You can also perform a power cycle on your Vizio remote controller by removing its batteries and popping them back in after a minute. If power cycling didn't work for you, you can try performing a factory reset on your TV. This will wipe out all the data from your TV, essentially turning it into a fresh unit. You can reset your Vizio TV to its factory defaults using only your Vizio remote controller by first turning on the TV and then pressing and holding the input and volume down button for about 15 seconds. The power menu should pop up from where you can reset your TV. If your TV asks for a parental code and if you don't have one set up, enter 4 zeros to initiate the reset process. If you still can't fix your issue, you might need to contact Vizio and get professional help. I recommend that you push for a replacement unit rather than patching up your existing unit, since issues like this are usually quality control issues and mostly specific to your particular unit. And that's pretty much all I have for you in this video regarding Vizio TVs that are stuck on its logo page. If you found this video useful, do comment your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Vizio content like this.